welcome to part 3 of the CSS animation tutorial. So in the part 2 we have created a cool Mario animation. We will continue with that and we will bring Mario's twin brother Luigi. So let us do that. So img class, we have an image for him also, and he's exactly like Mario, but you'll see the difference. src img luigi.png. Let me bring him and see. He is exactly like Mario, only he is green in color. So let us go to style.css and then let us style him. So luigi, my spelling is right, luigi, yeah. Position will be absolute, top will be 86 pixel and left will be 0 pixel. So he is a bit down. So now let us give him also something like Mario, like this. Top left is done, but let us give him also, and let me copy this only because we are going to use exactly like this drive, but the animation duration will not be 3 seconds, it will be a bit more, 5 seconds. Animation film out again will be both. Iteration count will be infinite, but we are going to use a new thing known as animation direction. So as you can see, there are a lot of things in the animation, so we are going to do it reverse. So let me save it. So see, he's coming back, the same thing is happening. So one thing which you might be noticing is that Mario is traveling in a weird way. Means what he's doing, he's traveling at Mario is slowing down towards the end, so he's not traveling at a linear fashion. See, he's going fast so fast, he's slowing down here, he's going fast and he's slowing down here. So it is because of there is a transition timing function which by default is ease. So we don't want that feature, we want it to be linear. So for that, what we need to do, we need to override it. So animation timing function, it will be linear. So let me save it. So now is linear, but you can see is linear throughout. So now he is linear. So all the different animations which we have used for Mario and Luigi, we can do it in a shorthand notation also, but we are going to see it a bit later on. With we are going to change this all to have that single animation, and we are going to see that with the next animation. See, we are going to have some cloud also here, so we have the images for that also. So let us go to our index.html and we will import, we will add them. So img class is cloud cloud, src image cloud.png, and we are adding two clouds. So let me save it, and we have this two clouds. So let us go to our styles now, and here dot cloud position absolute. So both are hidden now because both are at one place only. Dot cloud, not road, dot cloud. We are going to use the nth child and its child 1, so we're targeting the first cloud. Width of 200 pixel. Let me have some space. Width of 200 pixel. Top of 120 pixel. Opacity of 0.5. Cloud and its child 2. Width of 300 pixel. Top of 0. Save it. See, we have like this, and the second cloud and this first cloud have a opacity also, so the color is showing quite nice. So now this first one, see what we are going to do. We are going to use the shorthand, which is just animation wind. So when we are going to soon use keyframe for this, 80 seconds, so it will go for 80 second linear, just like Mario linear. Might have a linear animation. This is that infinite, it will go in infinite loop, and it will go reverse like Luigi. So reverse is this animation direction. So let me save it. Refresh. Let's do for the other one also. Okay, we have not created this wind, that's why it is not coming. So how it will come? So let us first do for this one also animation wind 50 second linear infinite, it is also reverse. And then after that add keyframes wind from left minus 300 pixel to left 100%. Save it and see they are slowly coming. And one is for 80 seconds, one is for 50 seconds, so they are slowly moving clouds. So as you can see how we had done the short form, so we can do the same short form for Mario or Luigi, anyone. So let us do that for, where is Mario? Let us do that for Mario, and we'll keep this for Luigi so that you can refer it in the GitHub. So let me do one thing, let me comment it out, but I will not remove it. And then animation is drive 3 second both, drive 3 second both, fill mode is both infinite and linear, and nothing had changed. It is Mario is working as it should work. Now we will add another animation to Mario. So to add another animation, we can do a simple comma here, and then that will be a jump animation. We are soon going to write the keyframe for that. So 0.3 sec, 1.2 sec, and it will be ease instead of linear. So let us make it. So what does this animation do? So we are going to make Mario jump once once for 0.3 second, for 0.3 second, and after a delay of 1.2 second. So the jump will be for 0.3 second after a delay for 1.2 second, and it will be of ease. So let us go ahead and go to the down, because we are doing the keyframes here, so we will create it here only at keyframes, jump. So till now what we have seen from and to, but we can give percentages also, like any percentage. We can have n number of percentages till 100. So we can have 0%. Generally we have 3 or 4 percentages. So we will have 0, and this at 0 it will be top minus 40px, then at 50% he will be at minus 100px, and then at 100 he will be again at minus 40px. So let me save it. See, he's jumping. See, so sometimes he will jump off screen also. So yeah, so like this it will appear. So this completes part 3 of the series. See you soon in the last.